Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something really special, a detailed review of the 2025 Nissan GT-R. This beast has been turning heads for years, and the 2025 model aims to keep that legacy alive. We're diving into everything you need to know about the interior, exterior, performance, and pricing. So, stick around and let's see what makes this car so iconic. Starting with the exterior. The 2025 Nissan GT-R keeps its signature aggressive stance but with a few fresh updates. The front grille has been redesigned, giving it a sleeker, more aerodynamic look. You'll notice the new LED headlights that give it a sharp, modern appeal, and they blend seamlessly into the bold front fascia. Moving to the side, the GT-R maintains those muscular lines that just scream power. The 20-inch forged alloy wheels look stunning, and they're not just for show, they help with the overall handling and stability of the car. The rear end is classic GT-R, with those quad exhaust tips and circular taillights that everyone recognizes. But Nissan has added a subtle touch with a slightly tweaked spoiler design to improve downforce, which comes in handy when you're pushing this car to its limits. It's a perfect blend of form and function, and the range of colors this year is impressive too. Whether you go for the classic super silver or something bold like Bayside Blue, there's a shade that'll make sure you stand out. Let's step inside and talk about the interior. Nissan has definitely stepped up their game with the cabin of the 2025 GT-R. It's a mix of high-quality materials and advanced tech that creates a driver-focused environment. The first thing you notice when you slide into the driver's seat is the leather-wrapped steering wheel and the semi-aniline leather seats. They're not only comfortable but offer excellent support, which is crucial when you're taking on those sharp corners. The dashboard layout is clean and straightforward, with a 12.3-inch touchscreen at the center that's compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The updated infotainment system is smooth and responsive, making it easy to adjust settings or pull up your favorite driving playlist. Nissan has also improved the sound system this time around if you're into your music. The 11-speaker Bose audio setup is going to impress you. There's also a focus on practicality with decent storage space for a sports car. You've got enough room in the trunk for a weekend bag or two, and the cup holders and small compartments make it easier to carry your daily essentials. The cabin might feel cozy, but it's definitely built for drivers who want a premium experience without sacrificing comfort. Now, let's get to the heart of the GT-R, the performance. The 2025 Nissan GT-R continues to pack a 3.8-litre twin-turbo V6 under the hood, but it's been refined to deliver even more punch. We're looking at 600 horsepower and 481 pounds-to-feet of torque, which means this car is still a force to be reckoned with. It's paired with a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that delivers rapid shifts, making every drive feel seamless and engaging. Acceleration is, as you'd expect, blisteringly quick. It goes from 0 to 60 in just about 2.9 seconds, which puts it right up there with some of the top supercars. The all-wheel drive system ensures that all this power is put to the ground effectively, giving you confidence whether you're on a straight stretch of highway or tackling some twisty mountain roads. And thanks to the updated suspension setup, the GT-R strikes a better balance between comfort and handling, making it more suited for both daily drives and track days. And let's not forget the enhanced braking system. With carbon ceramic brakes, you get that precise stopping power you need when you're pushing the car to its limits. It's a real thrill to drive, but it also has enough finesse to make even the everyday commute enjoyable. Alright, let's talk numbers or pricing. The 2025 Nissan GT-R starts at around $120,000. But that can go up pretty quickly if you start adding options like the Nismo package or more premium interior materials. For the performance it offers, it's still positioned competitively against other sports cars in its class, like the Porsche 911 Turbo and Audi R8. Sure, it's not cheap, but you're getting a lot of car for the money, a legendary performance, an updated design, and a driving experience that's hard to match. So, What do you think about the 2025 Nissan GT-R? Is it still the king of the road, or has it lost some of its charm? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this review, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.